Now let's learn how to use text on Figma. Text in Figma is actually straightforward and it allows you to add and style text elements within your design. So here's how you'll need to do it. So here onto the upper part, you see this letter T in here or the text tool. So you'll need to click onto that. And right after, as you have noticed, the mouse pointer change onto cross type. So we'll just need to simply click onto the part where you want to add in the text. So we could add in here pet shop. So as you can see, we have successfully added a pet shop in here. Right after, you'll actually have the option to move this one. So we could put it in here beside the home button, and you could actually change in the font for that. So let's click onto this and let's choose another font that we could use for our pet shop. So we could use this one out. So we could change. So let's look for another one more like a bigger font like this one. It actually shows like this. You'll have also different options in here like the alignment of your text. You could have it on the center or onto the left side or right side. You could change in the line height. So we could also change the font size in here. So we'll just need to simply click onto the font size. So let's add in 64. So you could also change the color. So let's try to change it to yellow. So let's match it or this yellow. That's how you add in a text here onto Figma.